right, and we're back with removing the control board. Luckily, with this control board, it's only a couple screws holding it in place. Let's see. Oh. We're gonna take that one off. Uh-oh. Let's see what's going down. Show how you take it out. It comes right out. So I'll go right back in here. There you go. Disconnecting everything off the control board. And this is the control board. The brains of the furnace, as we described earlier. All right, thank you. And this is Manny the Tech. If you enjoyed yourself, please like, comment, or subscribe.